Education is changing. So, what are your plans if education is changing? Are you merely sticking to the old ways of teaching? Or are you changing your teaching methods as well? Should you forget being traditional and forget the paper worksheets? Hello everyone, Raja here. It's my pleasure to meet you through this video. You are watching Esprit Academy. This video was specially created for our community of future ready educators. Join our community using the link given in the description. During the COVID-19 outbreak, teachers all over the world began teaching online. It's only the beginning. Technology is the key to the future of education. And it won't be a small amount. Technology will take over the classroom completely. Remember, we live in an era where robot has begun to teach in a traditional classroom setting. Many teachers have begun to adapt to the new changes all throughout the world. What qualities have future-ready educators developed in order to adapt to the changes in the educational industry? Let's discuss one by one. Future-ready educators understand that technology is continuously changing and evolving. As a result, they are extremely adaptive. When one type of technology stops working, they may easily switch to another. They regularly change lessons and plans to integrate a new technology or a digital content. To be a future-ready educator, you don't have to use every edtech tool or software that comes your way. It's fine to be suspicious every now and then. Apps, social media, and the internet all have their drawbacks. Not every app performs as expected. Future-ready instructors ensure that edtech tools and apps are secure. The paperless classroom becomes the new traditional classroom. Educational technology apps and tools can help you go paperless. Instead of wasting papers, future-ready educators provide the assignment by computer or tablet using digital worksheets, online gradebooks, and discussion forums. We have come up with a list of apps that can assist instructors in becoming paperless. And we will go through everything in detail in our future videos. The future teacher will get rid of grade system and focus more on formative assessments and a real feedback culture. The future teacher will give real and meaningful feedback at all times. Future-ready educators use formative assessment as the key evaluation tool. When it comes to technology, teachers are rapidly outdated. That's why the teacher of the future should be more like a student too. So they are eager to learn new things. YouTube has the world's largest tutorial collection. If you are not sure how something works, search YouTube or use a search engine. Future-ready educators are also effective collaborators who value group dynamics, team planning, and strategizing with others. Pinterest is the largest and most pleasant teachers community on the planet. It's filled with positive and energetic teachers who love to enjoy working together and share their ideas. When I mean that the teacher of the future needs to go paperless, I don't mean a PDF file on a tablet. The average attention span of a person is shrinking. Future ready educators make learning more fun and engaging. They prepare interactive lessons that keep the students' attention a bit longer. There are online apps that help teachers to prepare interactive lessons. We will talk about them in detail in our future videos. Future ready educators look for relevant and interesting digital content and educational technology. Instead of using the same materials year after year, these instructors look for the most up-to-date materials to keep their students engaged in the learning process. Teachers who are aware of the world around them are the educators of the future. This is because they recognize the significance of preparing their students for life outside of the classroom. These teachers prepare their students to become global citizens. Am I a future ready educator? Ask yourself. Things keep changing, but there is one thing you must remember: your passion. That's not going to change in the future. Subscribe Ispreet Academy and share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends who are principals and teachers. I'll see you in another useful video. Until then, it's bye from Raja.